This is the MSI Mag A850GL, an 850-watt, 80+ gold certified, fully modular power supply designed for modern gaming rigs. You get clean, efficient...
This is the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE-V2, a dual tower cooler with 6 6mm heat pipes and 2 quiet 120mm fans. It's rated for up to 200...
This is the MSI MPG Velox 300R Airflow PZ, a mid-tower gaming PC case built to keep powerful hardware cool. Sleek, spacious... M560 1TB PCIe 5.0 NVMe drive delivers blazing read speeds up to 10,200 megabytes per second. Built on a Gen 5x4 Interfax
70 XT. Powered by AMD's RDNA 4 architecture, it packs 24 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory and a 384-bit bus for massive bandwidth.
Kingston Fury Beast RGB DDR5, a 32 gigabyte kit of two 16 gig sticks, delivering vibrant RGB lighting and next-generation...
If we align the timeline with the vendor's rollout, we'll stay ahead of schedule.
Right, and the margins still look strong. We just need confirmation on the last data set. Perfect. Let's move forward.